under the banner of the Ratna Bharat Raitha Samaja, staged a protest near Chennamma Circle in Hubballi, urging the government to fulfill various demands of farmers. The protest was led by Hemanagouda Basanagouda, National Vice President of the Ratna Bharat Raitha Samaja and a Mahadayi project activist. The protesters called for the implementation of the Mahadayi project and urged the government to address various issues faced by farmers. They sought crop insurance coverage and the release of compensation for crop losses. They also insisted that crop insurance compensation should be provided through a scientific assessment process. The protesters urged the government to stop the privatization of the electricity department and called for the cancellation of the Bidadi Township project, stating that it would be harmful to farmers. They also sought the proper implementation of the Namma Hola Namma Daari, which means our field, our road scheme, and the payment of crop damage compensation. The protest continued for more than 2 hours near Chennamma Circle in Hubballi. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.